मतलब 20% of ethanol will be mixed along with the petrol, gasoline, and this will be circulated in all the petrol pumps. Now the only concern is whether our bikes will be able to digest the E20 or not.
पेट्रोल का ये सब मतलब इतना डिटेल्स कोई पूछता भी है ना वो लोग बताते भी नहीं है।
आपकी बाइक्स में कुछ माइलेज कम हुआ है या पार्ट्स आपके
कभी
डैमेज?
कभी होता है।
Dear viewers, welcome to Lokmat Times. I am Tejas Joshi. Currently, I am standing in Worli area of Mumbai, and today we are going to do a story. We are going to ask people about something which is a hot topic right now, and that is ethanol blending. In India, ethanol blending has achieved its target 5 years ahead of the time. And petrol-ridden cars, petrol bikes have been using ethanol blended petrol, but there are many complaints coming in now. Bikers, car owners have been complaining that their mileage has gone down drastically. Other than that, there are several issues happening with their engines, their fuel lines, their other parts like walls of their cars and bikes. So we have come today to this petrol pump in Worli, and we are also going to ask a few people. But before that, I'll give you a slight idea what it is. 20% ethanol is being blended with the petrol right now. But if you look at the cars manufactured in India, the cars and vehicles that are manufactured after 2023, they are E20 compatible, meaning 20% ethanol, they are compatible with it. But the cars manufactured and sold before 2023 from 2020, they are only E10 compatible, only 10% of ethanol compatible. And cars manufactured and sold before 2020, they are not at all compatible with any percentage of ethanol. So these cars which are E10 compatible or not at all compatible with ethanol blending have been fueling E20 petrol, and then these kind of issues are coming up where their engines are getting damaged, fuel lines are getting damaged, their mileage has dropped down drastically. The issue here is that many are complaining that petrol pumps are not informing them about the kind of petrol that is being filled in their tanks. Meaning they are not being informed that E20 petrol is being filled and they are filling that petrol and then they are not aware that it is damaging their vehicles. So we have come here and we are going to try to speak to a few of the car owners, bike owners and ask them if they are aware that they are filling E20 petrol and if their bikes, their cars have been suffering any issues in the last few weeks. So let's go. So we have a few commuters who fill petrol in Mumbai and we are going to ask them if they are even aware of this issue. सर आपको पता है क्या कि पेट्रोल में 20% एथेनॉल ब्लेंड किया जा रहा है?
हाँ जी, कुछ चल रहा था कि बीच में कि E20 मतलब 20% ऑफ इथेनॉल विल बी मिक्स्ड along with the petrol, gasoline, and this will be circulated in all the petrol pumps. Now the only concern is whether our bikes will be able to digest the E20 or not.
Okay. My question is when you go to a petrol pump, the attendants over there, do they inform you which petrol they are filling in your tank?
No, we actually go there and we will see if it is a normal petrol or it is a power petrol,
Right.
power rating. Then we go to particular counter and get it filled. When I ask the person, is it E20 or E10? He says he doesn't know anything.
Right. Have you been experiencing a mileage drop or your parts getting damaged, engine or fuel lines,
Well,
anything like that?
yet to check it. Yeah,
Yes.
yet to work on it. Yeah.
How old is your bike?
Yeah, it's been 2 years now,
So it is
but
E10 compatible.
it is E20 compatible
E20
from the company itself.
Right.
But the thing is, whether the E20 petrol is actually available in this petrol pump or not is a big concern.
The government is saying they are going to increase it to E27. What are your thoughts about it?
It's going to be a big trouble because in the manual also they have mentioned that if it exceeds certain level, then it may trouble or it may cause corrosion to some of the moving parts.
Right.
So yet to come across this kind of experience. Let's see how it goes.
So this was one of the commuters and he says the attendants at the petrol pumps are not informing whether they are filling E10, E20 or power petrol. They are not aware of it. We are also going to look for a few bikers. Let's see what they have to say. आपको पता है क्या आप जब पेट्रोल डालते हो तो उसमें 20% एथेनॉल मिक्स करके आता है आपके पेट्रोल में, इसकी आपको आइडिया है?
नहीं सर।
आपको कभी पेट्रोल पंप पे आप कभी पेट्रोल पंप पे जाते हो तो वहाँ के अटेंडेंट्स आपको बताते हैं कि ये E20 पेट्रोल है, E10 पेट्रोल है, आपको कोई बताया जाता है?
नहीं, कोई नहीं बताता।
आपको आपकी बाइक्स में कुछ माइलेज कम हुआ है या पार्ट्स आपके
कभी
डैमेज?
कभी होता है सब प्रॉब्लम।
हाँ, आपका माइलेज कम हो रहा है कितना? आप तो भी अंदाजन बता सकते हो कितना माइलेज कम?
20% 10%।
20% 10% आपका कम हो रहा है। अच्छा, थैंक यू। विल ट्राई अ फ्यू मोर पीपल, विल ट्राई। भाई कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे। आपको पता है आपके पेट्रोल में E20 एथेनॉल मिक्स किया जाता है, इसका आपको आइडिया है? एथेनॉल क्या है?
नॉट एट ऑल।
कोई आइडिया नहीं आपको? आप जब पेट्रोल भरवाते हो तो आपको बताया जाता है कि ये E10 है, E20 पेट्रोल है, कुछ आइडिया
नहीं,
है?
कोई पूछता भी नहीं है आई गेस।
आप पूछते नहीं हो ना, आपको बताया जाता है। आपके गाड़ी के माइलेज पे कुछ असर पड़ा है पिछले कुछ दिनों में? माइलेज कम हुआ या कुछ पार्ट्स डैमेज हुए इंजन के, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ?
ऐसा तो हुआ नहीं है, बट पेट्रोल का ये सब मतलब इतना डिटेल्स कोई पूछता भी है ना, वो लोग बताते भी नहीं है।
बट उसकी वजह से आपकी गाड़ियाँ डैमेज होती है, इसको आपको इसका नॉलेज है आपको कुछ?
नहीं।
नहीं पता है आपको? So this is the situation right now. Many people, almost half of the people that I have spoken to, they are not aware if the petrol they are filling is E20, E10, or whether it is a power petrol. They don't know. They just come to petrol pumps, they fill in their tanks and they get away. But they are not aware the problem that it is causing to them. We'll also try to speak to a few other people as well, a few bikers who are coming over here, and we'll try to understand from them if they are aware of it. We have another biker with us, sir. Whenever you go to a petrol pump, आपको पेट्रोल पंप के अटेंडेंट्स बताते हैं कि आपके टैंक में E20 पेट्रोल डाला जा रहा है, एथेनॉल ब्लेंडेड पेट्रोल डाला जा रहा है?
नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं बताते।
आपको आइडिया है एथेनॉल ब्लेंडेड पेट्रोल क्या है?
नहीं।
आपको पता ही नहीं है अभी तक? 80% पेट्रोल और 20% एथेनॉल मिक्स किया जाता है उसमें, उस हिसाब से वो पेट्रोल डाला जाता है। आपकी गाड़ी कितनी पुरानी है?
भी हो गया 8 साल हो गए।
आपकी गाड़ी उस पेट्रोल के लिए कंपैटिबल भी नहीं है,
अच्छा।
पर आपको बताया जाता है, कोई पेट्रोल अटेंडेंट बताता है आपको कि ये पेट्रोल हम डाल रहे हैं?
नहीं नहीं
या आप कुछ स्पेसिफिक डिमांड करते हो कि ये पेट्रोल डालो हमारे?
नहीं नहीं, अब तो नॉर्मल पेट्रोल जो डालना रहता है वही डाल देते हैं।
आपने कुछ माइलेज ड्रॉप या कुछ इंजन के प्रॉब्लम्स को एक्सपीरियंस किया है रिसेंटली?
नहीं अभी तो नहीं, बहुत पहले किया था, इंजन मेरा ख़राब हो गया था।
सर जी, एक सवाल पूछना है आपको।
हाँ बोलिए।
आप जब पेट्रोल भरवाते हो तो आपको बताया जा रहा है कि कौन सा पेट्रोल है? इसमें E20 20% एथेनॉल डाला जा रहा है पेट्रोल में, आपको आइडिया है इस चीज़ का?
नहीं, कुछ आइडिया नहीं है।
आप पेट्रोल पंप पे जाते हो तो आपको बताते हैं वो लोग कि ये
नहीं
कौन सा
नहीं,
पेट्रोल है?
कुछ नहीं।
बट आपको ऐसा बताया नहीं गया कहीं पे कि
नहीं, कभी भी
20% मिक्सिंग का?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, कुछ भी।
The situation is such that the government is planning to increase E20 to E27, but majority of people who are filling petrol, they don't even know if E20 petrol is being filled in their tanks, and that's an irony that the consumer who is being made to pay for full amount of petrol and yet getting E20 mixed petrol, and he is not even aware that he is getting that kind of petrol. So how is this going to pan out if we do E27? Because we don't have vehicles which are E27 compatible, and now we are going to force them to fill that petrol even when their vehicles are not compatible, and they are not even aware that they are filling that kind of petrol. Petrol pump attendants also usually don't inform them. We are also going to talk to some delivery people. भैया एक बात पर पूछनी है आपको। आप बाइक में पेट्रोल डलवाने आते हो तो आपको ये बताया जाता है कि आपका जो पेट्रोल है उसमें E20 मिक्स है, एथेनॉल मिक्स किया गया है? आपको किसी ने बताया आज तक?
नहीं
पेट्रोल पंप जो अटेंडेंट रहते हैं वो पूछते हैं आपको कौन सा पेट्रोल डलवाना है?
नहीं नहीं,
आप आते हो सिर्फ और
पेट्रोल लेते हैं।
सिर्फ पेट्रोल? आपका बाइक कितना पुराना है?
अभी तो लिया 3-4 महीने हो गए।
अच्छा, तो आप जब भी जाते हो आप सिर्फ पेट्रोल डालने को बोलते हो, वो डाल देते हैं, आप
हाँ।
पूछते नहीं हो?
नहीं।
If we, except one commuter, all of them have said that they don't even know if this thing is happening and this practice is being done. So this is our question: if people are not even knowing what is happening to their vehicles, what kind of petrol they are filling, then it's okay. Then it's fine for the government to dupe them in the name of saving the environment because they don't even know. So that's the story. This is Tejas Joshi with cameraman Pranit Hate from Mumbai for Lokmat Times.